is Jenny Carlson with StreamLine Marketing Pro. I'm here today to just give you a little bit of information about StreamLine Marketing Pro and our platform and how we make an impact for you in your real estate business. We're your partner in real estate success, offering affordable tools to save you time and money. You can serve existing clients and generate new clients while branding your presence and establishing your expertise in the real estate market. Use consistent follow-up, social media, eBooks to drive traffic to build your business. Let's jump right in. We're going to start with our dashboard. This is a central information system for you. It's a place you can schedule appointments to meet with us to help you with various things regarding your business. That can include Canva, your marketing, social media, compliance, website design, email templates, and more. Learning Center has our YouTube videos on how to for our system. That can include what you see here, connect social media accounts. We have our additional services. And then just so you know, things do tie in with your Google business listing. We do recommend that everybody have a Google business listing. So this would be your Google business profile stats, analytics, and of course, if you run ads as well. We also offer within the system a central place for conversations, and that includes any conversation coming from your social media or your email account. We offer custom calendars. You can set your own schedule, your own available times. People can schedule with you online. You can do phone meetings, you can do virtual meetings, or you can just schedule that you're going to meet them in person. And the nice thing is, if you already use a calendar like Google Calendar, it will integrate so that you don't duplicate your schedule or overschedule yourself. It's all connected. Within the contacts, we offer a little bit of a unique service in that many CRMs do not include the spouse information within the contact record. So that is something that is definitely unique to StreamLine Marketing Pro. We recognize the need to keep those contacts together and associated together. So you will find that in there. In addition, the contact record is going to include any data that your client has filled out. Maybe it's the open house sign-in sheet, maybe it's a home valuation quiz that you've given them, or any other survey, questionnaire, those kinds of things that you set up to send to them. Those will all get attached to those contact records. Then we have our marketing system. This includes the social media planner, which includes all the platforms, the email campaigns and templates. You can do quick snippets, which, by the way, includes text. You can do texting plans, so you can set up automations that are going to include texting plans. That's included in the system. There are what we call trigger links. Those are the links that you can put into, say, for instance, a text that's going out. Maybe you want to send them a text of one of the informational eBooks that we provide for your clients. This is part of the system that shows your expertise and services your existing clients while also intriguing new potential clients as well. Let's talk a little bit about our automations and our workflows within StreamLine Marketing Pro. This is a fantastic system. Now, within StreamLine Marketing Pro, all the tools you need are already here. They're already set up. It's very simple to get started. However, if you'd like to get more intricate with your plans, with your follow-ups, that is available to you as well, and we can help you work through any of those that you would like. However, the big things, right, like keeping in touch with your potential buyers, keeping in touch with your past clients, within StreamLine Marketing Pro, we call those our touchstone clients, right? They can be people, they could be clients, or they could be people that are close enough to you in your business, in your life, that they're going to send you referrals. It's another way to say sphere of influence or your A-list, however you want to look at that. But within here, we do have plans, workflow plans, automations that send emails we've already created, we've already set them up. But instead of being the canned, use me, meaningless emails that most prospects or past clients get from these CRM systems, we have customized this content to be as impactful as possible. So, for instance, one of the things that buyers never tend to ask, or rarely tend to ask, they don't want to ask you, especially if they're new with their relationship with you, which is, what if I find a FSBO? As a real estate agent in the industry, I already know, and you already know, that they can still work with you. You can help them if they find a for sale by owner. But many buyers think that if they find a for sale by owner, they don't want to tell you about it. They're scared about what that means. They don't know what to do with it, or if you can still help them, or if they even want you to help them, or why that would matter. So, one of the things that we've done is we've made content that's impactful to the potential client, or to the client where they're at in the moment, and it answers that question. Why does it matter? Why do they still need you as an agent if they choose or find a for sale by owner? Obviously, that's a little more complicated, but we want to answer the questions that we know that they're not as likely to ask you, or the things that we want to answer in advance, so that it doesn't become a kind of like assumption on their part where you're fighting that assumption. So we're providing them valuable content, answering questions, and all to make you look better, show your expertise, and give you the biggest advantage possible when it comes to using the email content and campaigns that are in here. So definitely something to take a look at, and definitely something that sets us apart from other CRMs and sites, because it's not the canned nonsense that nobody reads. The other thing that we offer is unending landing pages or funnels. They can get quite intricate, or they can be very simple. Websites, the webinars, blogs, and we're going to talk about blogs here in a minute. Forms, surveys, quizzes, chat widget, QR codes. It's unending. So let's go look real quick. I'm going to jump. Let's go look at a QR code. What I love about our QR code system is, as you can see here, we've got the plain QR code. It's still got my logo in the middle. We can put pictures behind it. You can actually have posters printed with the QR code. And this can be your open house sign-in sheet. People can do it right there on their phone if you want, on your iPad at the open house. It can be a listing website QR code as well. So, for instance, this one right here was one of my listings, and I provided a standalone poster, stand up poster at the home on the kitchen bar, where potential buyers could scan that, go to a listing website, and actually pull all the documents such as improvements, seller's disclosure, survey affidavit, even the compensation information. It had everything on it. Now, the key there obviously is that website can't be an MLS, but it was a great tool to get the word out there. And I created my own QR code for that. So here we go. Here's our funnels. I'm going to show you really quickly one of the listing websites. You do get your own templates that you can use. You can make your own templates. I love this system because everything is drag and drop. So we've got our description, and here are all our documents. These documents are embedded in here. They open in a new tab when people click on them. We've got our gallery of photos and even a video down at the bottom. And so you can do great customization within the system. Here's the preview of the live site. And of course, there's the video made from the photos. So you have a lot of capability. Here's a lead capture form that is also a part of that site that was created. And these are templates already in here that you can play with. And I did this from template, I think it was template 2 within our system. And so they're all here and ready for you to use. We also have the websites as well. I'm going to show you a couple really quickly, but these are our websites. You can choose from our website designs where we've already got everything ready to plug in. We'll plug that in for you. That's part of the setup. Here is Zane Rudd's site that we've done for him. and he loves this. We love the video that it's at the beginning. Now, he also chose our branding bundle, which includes a seller and a buyer's guide. And what we did with his is we set it up for lead capture. So that's there. Once a prospective seller or buyer fills in this form, they get their guide and it goes into the system, and of course has a specific set of follow-up just for that. So we've already set these sites up for that kind of lead capture. We also have a free blog that comes with the site. Now, you write your own blog, but you get a blog site that is included. We obviously have the seller page information, buyer, as well as financing with a mortgage calculator, and of course the listing search and onwards. You can add as many pages as you want. So we don't limit you. If you want to add specialty pages, you get to do that. So it's a fantastic option to give you plenty of marketing capabilities. And of course, like I said, you're putting in the landing pages, you're doing the websites, you're doing the form builder. So you're doing, for instance, like the home valuation quiz or the open house sign-in sheet. This is one of the forms that we've created in here. It's just waiting for you to use it. So it's first name and last name and email. We really want them to at least give you an email. Of course, we'd love to give you have them give you a phone as well. And you can change anything that's in here. And if you look, I've clicked on phone, and over here on the right hand side, you can make it a required item or not. So it's up to you, but these forms are already in here and waiting for you to use them. It's a fantastic feature within the system. And so it's ready here and ready to go. Surveys, quizzes, and chat widget that's available for your website. It's just a fantastic, extensive system. And again, all these things are already in place for you. But the beauty is, if you want to customize, you can. If you want to add, you can. And there's no limit to that. We have our media storage, which is where you're going to put your images. And you can put documents in here as well. And by the way, that connects to your Google Drive if you want it to. So that's all there as well. We also have a mobile app for you. And if you choose to go with our social media services, you also get fresh content every single month that you can post for every day. And then note in here that we also have the carousel posts, and we also have some reels in here every month. So it's not just the single image post that you get for the month, but you do get reels and carousel posts as well. And then, of course, if you want to, you can look by category and find other templates that you can use throughout the month as well. We also have the ability to schedule office hours with us and schedule your orientation right here within the system. It's all right here at your fingertips. And again, we're going to jump back to contacts, and everything is detailed and waiting for you to just get started and start keeping in touch with those clients, getting in touch with your leads, automating, so free up your time. It's a fantastic system. And on top of that, if you have an assistant, if you have a transaction coordinator, if you have somebody that's helping you with these things, they do get free access to this within our system. So this is a super quick overview of all the things that we offer. It was super fast, but go check out our YouTube channel for more information about our features. And we're always happy to schedule a demonstration with you and show you all the in-depth features and benefits of working with StreamLine Marketing Pro. Thanks so much for joining me today, and we hope to talk to you soon.